Hello viewers, welcome to the new video. In today's video, we are going to start exercise 1.2 of chapter number 1, number system, with the first question. What is the question? The question is, state whether the following statements are true or false and justify your answer. So we have to just state whether they are true or false, and we have to justify means we have to write a reason for that. If it is true, then no need to mention a reason, but if it is false, then we have to mention a reason. Now let us just read out all the questions first. So the first question is, every irrational number is a real number. Second question is, every point on the number line is of the form root m, where m is a natural number. And third one is, every real number is an irrational number. So here you might be worrying what is an irrational number and what is a real number. Okay, so let us just write this, that what is a real number? Real number, that means all the numbers. Real number, that means all the numbers. Okay, all the numbers that are exist in the nature. All the numbers that are exist in the nature. So real numbers are classified in two types. Real numbers are classified in two types. One is the rational numbers. One is the rational numbers, and second one is irrational numbers. Second one is irrational numbers. So real numbers are classified it in two types. Again, what are real numbers? Real number starts from 0, 1, 2, 3 up till positive, and it also has negative numbers. It also has negative numbers. What are rational numbers? Any numbers that represent in p upon q form, where the denominator q should not be equal to 0, and whichever numbers that do not lie under this rational number are irrational number, that is root 2, root 3, root 5, all are irrational numbers. Okay, so let us start the first question. The first question is, every irrational number is a real number. Each and every irrational number is a real number. Every irrational numbers are real numbers. Yes, every irrational numbers are real numbers, definitely. So this statement is true. This statement is true, that each and every irrational number is a real number. The inverse is true? No. This is the inverse. Every real number is an irrational number. Do every real number is an irrational number? Real numbers have 0, real numbers have positive, and real numbers have negative. Whereas irrational numbers are only in under root only. That means every real numbers are irrational number? So it is false. So it is false that every real numbers are not irrational numbers. What is the reason for that? Because what is the reason for that? Because real numbers, what are real numbers? It is real numbers is a collection of real numbers is a collection of rational numbers and irrational numbers. Real numbers is a collection of rational numbers and irrational numbers. Rational numbers and irrational numbers. Okay, very good. Now we have done the first and the third question. Now let us do the second question. The second question is, every point on the number line. Every point on the number line, we know every point on the number line. Which are the points on the number line? 0, 1, 2, -1 and -2 is in the form of root m. That means, can every point on the number line can we go under root m, where m is a natural number? Now what is natural number? Natural number starts with 1. Natural number starts with, what are natural numbers? Natural numbers starts with 1, 2, 3 and 4. So where m is a natural number only. But here on the number line there is 0 and there are negative numbers also. So it can go only from the natural number. But here they have told is every point on the number line. Can every point be represented on the number line? No, because there are negative numbers also. So this statement is also incorrect. That means this statement is also false. What is the reason for that? The reason is that there are infinite numbers on the number line. Okay, there are infinite numbers. There are infinite numbers on the number line. There are infinite numbers on the number line, and the numbers on the number line, there may be a positive number also and there may be a negative numbers also. Okay, so including positive numbers and negative numbers, including positive and negative numbers, including positive and negative numbers. But these negative numbers can't be represent can't be represent can't be represent. Why cannot be represent? Because they have told that m is a natural number only. Can't be represent as root m being a natural number, as root m, where m being a natural number. So this statement is also false. Okay, hope you have understand the question number 1 of exercise 1.2. If you have any doubts, you can comment into this comment section, and please like our video, subscribe to the channel and share it to your friends. Thank you and have a good day.